Beloved TV producer Memo del Bosque announces his own death from cancer aged just 62. A well-regarded TV producer has announced his own death from cancer aged just 62. Guillermo Memo del Bosque shared the news in an Instagram post written before he passed away, but posted after he'd breathed his last. "I want to share that I have reached the end of my life," said the message, which was written in Spanish. "Cancer was a tremendous battle that I fought with everything I could, but God has decided that this disease will no longer harm me. I thank God for allowing me to continue living since I was diagnosed in 2017, and for allowing me to enjoy my children, Vika, and my entire family," he continued. "I am thankful for my friends who never left. Thank you for all your love.